Section 1. The Digital Detective, Unmasking the Data Scientist. Have you ever wondered who teaches your favorite music app to suggest a new song you instantly love? That person is a data scientist. They are a modern-day detective, but instead of searching for clues at a crime scene, they hunt for insights within vast landscapes of digital information. A data scientist looks at enormous piles of facts and figures. They work to find the hidden patterns and connections buried inside. Their ultimate goal is to turn all that raw, confusing data into clear, useful ideas that help people and businesses make smarter choices every single day. Think of it this way: every time you use your phone, shop online, or even watch a movie, you create data. This data is a collection of facts. It can be simple numbers, like the price of a coffee, or words, like a review you left for a restaurant. It can come from millions of sources at once, like social media feeds, weather sensors, store checkout scanners, hospital records. Companies and organizations now have access to more data than ever before in human history. A data scientist is the professional who steps in to make sense of this digital flood, ensuring it becomes a powerful tool for understanding our world a little bit better. Their role is very much like that of a storyteller, but one who uses evidence to build their narrative. A traditional detective might ask, who was at the scene of the crime? A data scientist, on the other hand, asks questions like, what does this customer data tell us about what people will want to buy next month? They employ mathematics, computer programming, and a healthy dose of creativity to uncover the answers hidden within the numbers. They build things called models, which are not physical objects but simplified stories or equations that explain how the data behaves. These models are incredibly powerful because they can help us predict what might happen in the future. So, what does a data scientist actually do all day? Their work can be broken down into a few key tasks that transform messy, raw information into a clear and compelling story. The first step is always to collect the data. This means gathering facts and figures from many different places. Internal sales records, often stored in a database. Scrape data from public websites. Connect to social media feeds. Use information collected from sensors in a factory. The goal is to bring all the pieces together into one place. Once the data is collected, the real work begins. Data cleaning. Real-world data is almost never perfect. It is often incredibly messy. Think of it as a jumbled box of puzzle pieces from different sets. Some pieces might be missing, some might be duplicates. Others might have incorrect information, like a customer's age listed as 200. Cleaning the data involves finding and fixing these errors, filling in missing parts, and making sure everything is consistent and formatted correctly. This step is crucial and can take up a huge portion of a data scientist's time, because you cannot find reliable answers if you start with unreliable facts. After the data is clean and organized, the next stage is analysis. This is where the detective work truly shines. For example, a streaming service wants to keep you engaged by recommending movies you are likely to enjoy. A data scientist analyzes the viewing history of millions of users to find patterns. They might find that people who liked movie A and movie B also tended to love movie C. The service then uses this insight to suggest movie C to new users who have just watched the first two. This is not magic. It is the practical and fascinating result of a data scientist's careful work, turning simple actions into personalized experiences for everyone. The investigator's toolkit, essential skills and instruments. On the tool side, programming is essential. Python is popular for its simple syntax and massive libraries for cleaning and analysis. R, built for statistics and beautiful visuals. You will also almost certainly need to learn SQL to query databases. For quick exploration, Excel or Google Sheets. For presenting findings, tools like Tableau or Power BI let you build interactive visual stories. Beneath the tools, math and statistics provide rigor, averages, probability, and significance separate signal from noise. The most important skills are curiosity, excellent problem solving, and storytelling, explaining what it means and why it matters. Embarking on a career as a data scientist might seem daunting, but it is a journey you can break into clear steps. First, learn the basics. Focus on math and statistics. Pick one language, Python is great, and practice consistently. Grab public datasets and do small projects on topics you care about. Theory matters, but practice teaches fastest. Document your work in a portfolio, the problem, your cleaning steps, your code, and your conclusions. Apply for entry roles like data analyst, BI analyst, or junior data scientist to learn on the job. In summary, a data scientist transforms raw data into valuable insights, part detective, part storyteller, to help people make better decisions. They rely on tools like Python, R, SQL, and visualization, powered by math, coding, and relentless curiosity. Pick one small project today, ask one clear question, find data, and begin. The world of data science is waiting for you.